Students, here is the question, October November 23, variant 1-2, question number 11. Sometimes we get this type of question. Here it says that nitric acid is made industrially by the oxidation of ammonia. The overall equation that is given here, and the process happens in 3 stages. The equations and the enthalpy changes are also given here. So the step 1 gives 4 ammonia, 5 O2 gives us 4 NO and 6 water molecules. And the enthalpy change of this reaction is, this stage 1 is minus 904 kilojoules per mole. So how can we solve this? Because they are asking what is the enthalpy change of the process for this whole equation. So this reaction is occurring in 3 stages and their enthalpy changes are also given. So how to solve this? So look at this. In the overall equation here we have only 1 mole of ammonia, while in stage 1 we have 4 moles of ammonia. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 don't have ammonia. So to sum up of these 3 stages must be equal to this overall reaction. So how can we do that? If we divide this stage 1 equation by 4, so what we get, and we also divide this delta H value by 4 as well. Is it clear? So after dividing this, our equation stage 1, that will become NH3 plus 5 by 4 O2, that gives us NO and 6 by 4 H2O. That is our stage 1, right? In the second stage, here we have 2 NO. And in the first stage we have NO. NO is not present in our overall equation. It means that NO is intermediate which is produced during the reaction and will be used in it. So to cancel out, here we have NO 1 mole on the product side. So we have to divide it by 2, because by dividing it to the equation for the stage 2, it will become NO half O2 and NO2. That is our equation, and also divide it by 2. Now the equation for stage 2, that is here. Okay, now in the stage 3 we have NO2. So NO2 is also not present in our overall equation. So it means NO2 is also an intermediate which is produced in the stage 2. So here we have 1 mole of NO2 in stage 2. So we have to cancel out it. So we have to divide it, this equation, by 4 as well. So by doing that, the equation for stage 3 will become NO2 half O2 and 1 mole of water, and giving us sorry, hold on, I was dividing it by 4, so we have to divide it by 4. 2 by 4, 4 by 4. So it is 1 by 4 O2, and it will become half H2O and 1 mole of HNO3. That is our equation of stage 3, and we also have to divide it by 4 as well. Now you can see the things which we can cancel out in all these 3. So here NO is produced in stage 1, which is used in stage 2. So we can cancel out NO. Similarly, NO2 produced in stage 2, used up in stage 3. So when we add up all these 3 equations here, So you can see one more thing, that water here is half H2O. And on the right side, we have 6 by 4 H2O. So if we cancel out this 6 by 4 minus 1 by 2, so we get the answer 1. So by cancelling out this here, it will be 1 mole of water left on the right side. So when we add up all the things on the left side, so it will be NH3 plus, for oxygen, 5 by 4 here, 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. When we add up all these, so we get 2 moles of O2. And on the right side, we have 1 mole of HNO3 and 1 mole of water. Now you can see the sum of all these three equations, their sum is equal to this overall equation 1. Now it means that we have found the overall equation which resembles this equation 1. Now let's find out their sum of their enthalpy changes. So if I divide 904 by 4, so 904 divided by 4, so here the enthalpy of this stage 1, that will be minus 226. Here 114 divided by 2, so enthalpy change is minus 57. Here in stage 3, 348 divided by 4, so the enthalpy change is minus 87. So when we add up all these values, 87 plus 57 plus 226, so our answer is minus 370. So it means the overall enthalpy change in this equation 1 is minus 370. Hopefully you got it. Thank you.